Hi everybody, today we are showing how to remove the display of the Duo and the Matrix Bezzera. The first thing to do is to remove the body as usual. Remember always to remove the plug, and you need just two tools: Allen key 3 mm, socket wrench 5.5. The Allen key you need to remove the body and the transformer, and the socket wrench to remove the display. Now we are going to remove the wires. You have to remove the main plug, the yellow wire that is the level probe, like this. Then we are going to remove the transformer. There are two screws under the transformer. One and two. Then you have to remove the plug. One, two, three, four, and five. That's it. Then you can gently remove the big power supply without disconnecting any other wires. Just to like this. Now you can unscrew the four screws, and then you have to remove the plug, just pushing here. Before I show you this socket wrench, but it's better a smaller one to work easily. I show you. Then you are going to unscrew one. Just a bit difficult, but some and you can remove with your hands. Once you have to remove the four screws of the display, just push on the front part, and then you can remove the display. Now you have the new display with the instructions. Very easy. The first thing to do is to remove this part from the mirror glass. Then just push just a bit. Okay, and then you have to remove. You have to insert the steel plate. Like this, and then the display.